Live from Miami, the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. And do we have the tea on Bitcoin pumping, SBF in trouble, and much, much more? Let's get into it, babes. So today we have Mr. Jerome Powell talking about interest rates. And everybody is expecting rates to go up. The last 4 meetings, rates went up 0.75 basis points. But the Fed may also want to tighten, which means not raise 0.75 basis points and maybe only do 0.5. Because they need to slow this down. Inflation is not going anywhere, but it looks like it's good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumped, and we actually were able to break above 16.9 briefly, but will we close up there? Time will tell, but MACD and Market Cipher are both looking short-term bullish. And if we are able to flip 16.9, we still need to tackle 17.5. I still don't think this is the bottom for Bitcoin, though. We haven't had minor capitulation, and there's a lot more firms that could potentially go bankrupt. Now let's get into a little bit of SBF news. BitBoy is going to be interviewing SBF on Spaces. One-on-one, Ben and Sam, and they're going to try to get some questions answered for the public. And the drama goes on with FTX. Sam was called to FTX hearing by Texas security regulators. This is also annoying because where were the regulators in the beginning of this entire mess? Nowhere to be found. This could be because SBF was giving donations to both Blue and Red, but he came out in a statement and said that he couldn't publicly say that he gave to Red because he would have been canceled. It's really also tiresome at this point. Both sides are bad. But anyways, questioning from Texas regulators is going to take place February 2nd, which really seems like a long time. And now regulators are saying that FTX US offered unregistered securities, which I think is BS because they were very conservative with what they listed. And according to my notes, they are seeking a cease and desist order for FTX to halt securities fraud, to return money to affected investors, and to target Sam with fines. Kind of seems a little bit late for that, right? This is why I don't like crypto regulations. They attack afterwards, and bad people keep doing bad things. And according to an interview with vloggers, Sam stated, "I never opened the code for FTX. It is rumored that there's other people that were actually behind this mastermind plan to scam customers." I totally buy it, but at the same time, SBF knew what he was getting into and could have said no. And also, Sam claims that he doesn't know how to code. I don't know if I believe that or not. So, who opened the back door for FTX? We all know how important Genesis is to the crypto ecosystem, and they were impacted by FTX. So Genesis creditors hire lawyers to find ways to prevent crypto brokerage bankruptcy. And the folks from Terra Luna weren't innocent. Prosecutors seek arrest warrant for Terraform Labs' Daniel Shin. Apparently, he was taking illegal profits and violating the Electronic Financial Transaction Act. It also looks like on-chain data shows that apecoin Treasury has been selling ape in small amounts. I'm a holder of ape, and personally, I don't care if they're selling ape or taking profits, just as long as they disclose it. And a big thank you to my community for voting me the best variety show. Shout out to the O Army. Bye-bye.